Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Top Gaming Tech Place here. Welcome back to another PS4 video. So in this one we will be looking at how the 11.00 exploit host works. By the way, like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Okay, so first I will connect my PS4 to my PC with my Ethernet cable, and I will make sure Goldhen is enabled and working. So I will now run the exploit application on my PC. So it will take at least 1 to 2 minutes to complete the process, so let us wait until the process is finished. Okay, so now Goldhen is enabled, so we will continue with our host. Okay, so now I will disconnect my PS4 from the Ethernet cable or the PPPWN connection, and connect it to my Wi-Fi instead, due to the fact that we are going to use the Wi-Fi connection to cache our host. Please, the link will be in the description below. By the way, like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like contents like this. Okay, so this is the exact host we will cache. It will take few seconds to complete, so just be patient. It has completed, so I will disconnect the PS4 from the Wi-Fi. Okay, so at this point these are the payloads you can use right now if you are on 11.00. So I will click on one of the payloads. It is not working, so I think bin loader needs to be checked as well as the internet connection. Okay, so now it is working, so I think maybe anytime you want to use this host your console must be connected to your Wi-Fi, or else it might not work. Okay, so now I will try to back up this game, using the PKG backup app made by Kameleon. Okay, so it is working. So by the way, like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. So as I said before, anytime you would like to use this host, your PS4 must be connected to your Wi-Fi, and bin loader needs to be checked as well, if only you want the payloads to work.